Every YouTuber was once insane. In fact, some of us are even still insane as I speak because they say that the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and over again, but expecting a different result. But is that not what all of us small YouTubers are doing? Just posting and hoping for that day when the algorithm would be kind enough to recommend our videos to loads of people. And even when that happens, just maybe, and this is a very huge maybe by the way, when it does, then I'll still be at the mercy of someone like you who is watching me right now to be kind enough and be interested in either my thumbnail or my title to click on the video to watch it. In that case, let me know which one you are. Which one moved you to click on this video? Was it a thumbnail or the title? Let me know in the comments. So what was I? Insanity. Are we insane as small YouTubers posting over and over again without any results? Certainly not, because trust me, no matter how you look at it, your very first video isn't the same as the one you just recently posted. Now look at my first video. Hi, welcome to Dapper Up Gentlemen. Do you know that unlike women, only a handful of men pay close attention to what they wear and how they look? Yes, that has to change, I agree with you, which is why I am here. My name is Richinati, and this is your go-to channel for tips as well as advice on how to dress well and look like the gentleman I believe you are. So hit the subscribe button below and let's dapper all the way up. See you in the next video. And compare it to this one. See? Tell me what you see. Of course, it's the same black boy in front of the camera, this time with some facial hair thanks to the biological clock, and without my glasses, which is not intentional by the way. It's broken and I don't have the money to go get a new one yet. But I believe that you see growth, not in the literal sense of the word, but even in the quality of my sound, my presentation, and how confident I'm beginning to sound or look on camera. So although I started knowing zilch about YouTube without any filming background or classes, someone will look at me today and admire what I'm doing. And small YouTubers like you and I do that a lot when we look at people like Ali Abdal or Mr. Beasts, among other big-time content creators. However, like Dr. Kwame Nkrumah once said, those who judge us merely by the heights we've achieved would do well to remember the depth from which we started. So yes, those guys are successful today and you admire them, but they were once like us, posting and refreshing their YouTube studio only to be met with the same number of views they had 24 hours ago. I know how frustrating it is putting in such amount of work, hard work, your research, your scripting, your filming, editing, and posting, and even getting better with each video you put out there, or at least you think you're getting better, yet not receiving the number of eyeballs you believe that your content deserves, right? Oh, I know how that feels too well. Look, I've had to change titles, change thumbnails, even use AI to help, but still, the crickets. Like, you begin to question whether it is all worth it, and then self-doubt creeps in and you're like, I'm not that talented, maybe I'm not that creative, and then consider giving up. But wait a minute, giving up? Among all the options there are, giving up is not one of them. When those times come, which they will, just look on how far you have come in your creative journey. Look at how you've grown. Compare your first video to your most recent one, like I just did. Look at the value of content you have created throughout the period. And if you're proud of yourself despite the number of subscribers or views, then that should tell you that all of this is worth it. That inner joy and pride you get, that's all you need to keep going. Once you don't have that feeling of the ground dividing to bury you when you watch your videos or see that thumbnail or see that title or that sound quality, then it means you're beginning to get things right and it's only a matter of time. Remember, every one of us YouTubers has a number. It took someone 160 videos to see growth. It might take another less, it might take another more. As at the time of posting this video, this is my video number 247. Yes, you heard right, including shorts. And if I haven't given up, why are you if your number of videos are less than mine? So you see what I'm talking about. Despite those number of videos, I am still not there yet. Let me know in the comments what number you are on at the moment. Imagine if that person who blew up at video number 160 gave up on video number 159. They may never have seen that success. So who knows? You may just be one video away, guys. Just one video away. So keep going, because slow motion is better than no motion. On days where you feel like you're stuck and nothing is working, just remember how far you have come. Because if you cannot express gratitude for what you currently have, you'll never have enough. So I urge you, small YouTuber, to take pride in your little wins as a researcher, as a script writer, as a videographer, as a copywriter, an editor, and content creator overall. These are things you learned and are mastering on your own, like all by yourself. Man, I'm so proud of you, and you should be too. And this is what I'm leaving you with. Like Robert Broad said, enjoy the little things, cause one day you may look back and realize they were the big things. This is Dapper Up, your men's style and grooming channel, but today I just felt like sending this video out there for other small YouTubers like myself that may be having down times. I hope this has motivated you enough to keep going, keep pushing. Alright, so let me know in the comments below if this video was useful to you. Also, give us a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Again, share to any colleague of ours, small YouTubers, who may be struggling lately to put out content because of self-doubt and because he or she is not getting the traction they think they deserve. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.